Hey everyone, Persi Traveler here at Angel Stadium in Anaheim, California for a super cool, unique golf experience. StadiumLinks has transformed Angel Stadium into a 9-hole golf course. What a cool idea. I'm a big Angels fan, love to golf, so this is absolutely perfect. All right, let's hit the links and have some fun. Golfing at the Big A.
Never thought we'd be doing that.
Right? Here we are, just walking through Angel Stadium with our golf clubs.
Heading to hole number 3, you know.
Just a normal day at the stadium.
I see no solution, I'm crying it out, what can't see? Pressure's growing exponentially. I'm trying to keep up to speed with you. It ain't changing, it's absolute to me. I'm hitting the ground and I'm sprinting. I'm falling behind, now it's you.
Alright, so we just finished our round.
9 holes at Angel Stadium.
So we each had a birdie, a couple pars. Actually a little better than we expected to do. All in all, pretty fun day. It's actually a cooler experience than I thought. Now you don't get to go down on the field and finish your shots out, so it's not like real golf. In a way, it's just kind of like a glorified driving range, but you don't just walk through it. They've set it up so you're walking all around the stadium. Totally worth it.
Yep, I'm down to do it again. Absolutely. Now we need to play a real full 18.
Good times. Good times.